What's up guys? So today we have a brand new package from Hollyland. They just released the Mars 300 Pro Enhanced Edition, and it's a 300 feet dual wireless system for transmitting video signal on your camera. So what we have in the box is the transmitter, and it looks like they have changed the design a bit. Has a screen on the left side down here, a controller, and also an on-off switch. And this one has an HDMI in and an HDMI Loop Out, which means you can take the signal from the camera and out into a monitor, as well as a USB-C. And here we have the receiver. The receiver is actually antenna-less, so that's really cool. You can mount that on your director's monitor, so now we don't have to worry about these antennas breaking off, so that's really cool. Inside here we also have a USB-C cable, so you can use that to power the transmitters or output them. To keep going inside the box, we've got a little mount that you can mount on the front of either the receiver or transmitter, and that just gives you an extra point for mounting this to a magic arm or your rig. So that's front, and you also have a bottom screw, so you've got choice there. And inside you also have a little mount, so you can mount this on a hot shoe of your camera, just like so. And inside the box you also have 3 antennas. So 2 antennas are for the transmitter and 1 is a spare. So just take these off and you screw these in, and here we go. This is the transmitter that goes on your camera, and the receiver goes straight onto your director's monitor. And there's 2 ways of powering these. One way is to use the NPF batteries, and then you can power them for quite a long time. Or the other way is to use a power bank, a USB-C power bank. So here we go, you can plug in the USB-C, and here we have Crane 3S with the big power brick from Julian, and it also has a USB-C port down the back. So you basically just plug it in and you can power your transmitter without having an extra battery. So at the moment, this is my director's setup. We have the Mars 400 on top. We have the Fieldworld LUT 7S, which is an ultra bright monitor. Great for outdoor use, as well as a Julian handle. So this allows me to do motion control with the Crane 3S. So this is a really cool setup. I'm excited to try the 300 Pro on this, but if you don't have one of these, you can definitely connect the Mars 300 Pro to your smartphone and tablet and preview your footage that way. So you don't actually need anything like this. You can just use a transmitter, connect it to your camera, and then use your smartphone to preview and use that as your director's monitor. So if you're serious about filmmaking, I would say a video transmitter is a must-have. I have some cool behind the scenes on my Instagram page at KwasnikPictures. Check it out below. Peace.